Ukrainian Storm Shadow Missile Strike, both the Henicheski Bridge and Chonhar Bridge. The two bridges connect Crimea with the Kherson region. The two strikes will further complicate reinforcements to arrive from Crimea to the Russians fighting in Zaporizhia. Russian invaders and colonists in the south of Ukraine are increasingly isolated. Both bridges are severely damaged and certainly out of order for a long time. And this is why these bridges are important. An echelon with Russian equipment passes through the Bagorovo station near Kerch. The traffic jam's already started, but Ukraine warned Russians recently that the summer in Crimea will be hot. The first official view on the French Scalp EG missile on Ukrainian Su-24. The Scalp is equivalent to the British Storm Shadow missile. Nikolaevsky Vanyok, Ukrainian blogger, hints that explosions in Crimea and Henikensk district were carried out by the same planes that Russia claimed to have destroyed in last night's strikes. Ha! Skabiva is mad that Russians are not welcomed in Georgia. Well, it can happen, especially after invasion and occupation of the part of Georgian territory.
Кадры кошмарные. Единственное, что хочется сказать, вы зачем туда, русские люди, претесь? Везете свои деньги. На стороне российских туристов, конечно, выступил местный мэр, но на него, если честно, плевать. Столько оскорблений, столько грязи, ушат помоев выливают всякий раз на русских туристов, а они зачем-то продолжают спонсировать этот преступный режим.
National Guard unit Omega shared footage of a destroyed Russian warehouse which included ammunition. A combined Chinese and Russian naval force recently conducted a patrol near the coast of Alaska. 11 Russian and Chinese ships came close to the Aleutian Islands, but never entered U.S. territorial waters, according to U.S. officials. 4 U.S. destroyers and P-8 aircraft were dispatched to shadow the patrol. It was reportedly a historical first, as it has appeared to be the largest such flotilla to approach the U.S.
是的，我这边是564，北京时间11正开始搜索，11正开始攻击。
Скорость лодки.
这是这。
The opening celebration of the CIS Games in Belarus started with the symbolic burning of the world. Well, we didn't expect anything smart anyway. Russia. Lamborghini self-immolated in downtown Moscow.
Стой, у тебя горит машина! Выходи, выходи, бля, горит! Настя, привет! Че, нужен вам шок-контент, как Lamborghini сгорело?
The Russian occupiers call it military savvy, when the rest of the world calls it terrorism. In the video, the invaders have installed a TM-83 anti-tank mine into a pedestrian figurine, which is installed to attract the attention of drivers in places where children cross the road. The use of toys, playground equipment, or school paraphernalia in such circumstances is a war crime.
Вот такой вот Вася Циклоп.
General Dynamics has unveiled its newest Abrams X main battle tank. This 60-ton mammoth has a 120mm unmanned turret and crew of 3, one of most beautiful tank in current time.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.